And we're live. Just like that. Just like that, we're live. Okay, I'm going to configure this chat box. The chat box. Come on. Come on. Man. Alright, come on. Get up on in this. It's the wrong event. I said go. We're streaming.
We're Triple X.
We're doing. Hi guys. All right, hold on. Trying to connect this chat box. There it is. Bam! Look at that. Oh, there's everybody. The pack. While ads kind of are stupid, you have to realize it helps support the channel. So that stupid ad probably brought in a nickel to me. And I'm going to name that nickel the pack. And I'm going to keep it in a special place. Just for you. All right. I need to know. Hello, everybody. I need to know. Is audio okay? Is audio okay? I will wait for your answer. What up? What up? Hello, Heather. Hello, Ben. Hello, Michael. Hello, Joseph. Hello, Nadav. Vince is watching. Did Derpy, oh. I did configure source. Come on. All right. 3D printing 360, I'm well. Okay, good. Good. Audio is okay. Okay, Video Scrap Heap was the first to say audio is okay, so thank you. Thank you. I see McDonald's is getting... Yes, it is. Absolutely. We went there for dinner. The problem is, every time I drink Red Bull, it makes me salivate. And I don't want to do that because I'm going to be eating tasty candy. All right, let's give it a moment. Let's give it a moment for everybody to join up. Let's make sure everybody's okay. Let's see. So what I could do, I could give you a tour of the machine using this camera right here. So just like that. That shouldn't be too difficult. And then once the tour is done, maybe we start printing something. Yeah. Okay. So let's explain it first. This is, oh, I got some of my glasses. How can I explain stuff? First of all, how do you like my shirt? It says, every time you can has, God kills a lolcat. Rafflecopter. Give me a sec. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Boy, that was weird. All right. Give me a sec. I do need to send the link out to people. Give me a second. Give me a second. There we go. Okay. Just want to make sure I get I forgot to share it out. If you get the chance, will you please share it out? I will do my best. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to share it with these people. Okay, I'm streaming on YouTube right now. If you want to join, kapow. There we go. And then one more right here. Hey, I'm live on the YouTubes if you want to stop by. Kablamo. Fliggity, flugity, blibbity, mobbity, all that stuff. Yeah. All right. Ooh. Richard Sheets unsubscribed due to the stupidity of it all. I haven't shown anything other than what's on this screen right here, and Richard Sheets thought it was stupid. So that's good. I'm glad you unsubscribed, Richard. I hope you can find people that satisfy your urges for viewing video, but apparently that's not me, and this is stupid. So, happy trails. All right. Let's do a machine tour real quick first. So this, ooh, let's see. It might get kind of shaky, but I don't care. So this is the Magic Candy Factory printer, and it's run from this tablet right here. These are syringes that they call zummies, And these are being warmed currently. Once warm, you stick them in here. And this mechanism right there is a plunger, and it plunges down. So if you think about it, the plunger is like your extruder. But this thing is built like a tank. It's 50-ish pounds. Look at this. The x-axis has a dual linear rail. The y-axis has a single linear rail. There is a webcam in the back right there. And that webcam is so... well, here, I'll explain that in just a little bit. But let's see if I can bring it around this way. So it is the Magic Candy Factory, and it is made by Printrbot. So Brooke and the Printrbot team are the ones that made this. This is actually pretty cool tech. This tablet is run by these USB ports right here. The tablet itself, well, here, let's put this down so you can still get that wonderful view and the sponsored McDonald's, I guess. It's really interesting. So that tablet that I just showed you actually runs Repetier server, and that's what powers this thing. And then there is a web service running on the tablet that the app connects to, and that's what does all of the cool magic that makes this printer go. You can take an image and turn it into a candy selfie, or you can print things. In fact, well, here, I'll show you right now. Here are... Actually, I'll do it right here. Look at that. I printed these earlier. These are gummy cups. So Lauren, over at A Buzz Designs, she could fill these with rum, and you could drink from these, and then you could eat them. Oh, it's so good. Before I continue, I just want to make sure you know, this is not a product placement or an advertisement for this printer. There's a really, really good chance you'll never be able to acquire this printer. Printrbot is making this for KatJes International, and they branded it the Magic Candy Factory. And knowing that, it's a $30,000 machine, $35,000. I don't know the correct dollar amount, but I think that's what they advertise it as. And it's built as a commercial product. So they have these machines in places, technically all over the world. They just did... I think it was a 20-city tour of the U.S. before the holidays. They had a grand opening, I know, in New York. They attended the candy convention in Germany, and they've got a lot of places in the U.K. because they're based in the U.K. So look up Magic Candy Factory, look up KatJes International, and you should be able to get something from this machine. Because I have this machine and I have a bunch of candy for it, I'm really hoping to be able to do some custom prints and some giveaways of the candy that this produces. The candy it makes is vegan, all natural. They said it was really tasty. I'll show you so right here, this is a syringe, and this syringe is called a zummy. See, look at that, a gummy zummy. When I say the word syringe, it probably makes you think of medical or medicine or needles or sharp things. It's not really technically something most people want to say when they want to talk about edible things or tasty things or candy. So instead of calling it a syringe, they call it a zummy. It's a zummy. It's a gummy zummy. And right now, it's pretty warm. Let's see, this warms to about 80 degrees centigrade. So you keep them in there, and the candy within the syringes or the zummies is then pushed out with that plunger mechanism. The zummies come in this sort of packaging. I got a few. Here we go. And then you can tell at the bottom, gorgeous green apple. I've got, what else do I got? Oh, here we go. Tasty tropical blue. Nummy. Okay. So that's generally how it works. You feed G-code to this machine. You put a zummy into here. It rocks up. This key comes down, and then it spits it out onto one of these. It actually says Magic Candy Factory on the back, of course, but it's one of these. In fact, I'll show you right now. It goes right, let's see, right like that. The little hearts. Hold it down. I'm not even kidding. It's the little hearts. Well, what do you say? Let's see. First, let me take a look at the chat for a couple minutes, and let me see what kind of questions you guys have, and let me see if I can answer them. And then maybe we print something. How about that? Okay. Mox Neo wants a bacon printer. Who doesn't want a bacon printer? Is Joel going to be the first person to 3D print an edible Benchy by TGYK? There's a really good chance of that. But with the way the candy prints, it doesn't really do overhangs. So it'll be a shipwreck Benchy. We'll call it that, a shipwreck. Jimmy Shaw's back. Hey, Jimmy. Heather's asking if there is pink. We'll get to that. SparkyFace5 is asking how much the Zummy cartridges are. I don't know the answer to that. The price point of the Zummies isn't really at a consumer level, and so the business that would have that would purchase the Zummies from KatJes International, and then you would go to them and they would have a price point for a custom 3D printed thing. So like if it was a selfie, a gummy selfie, they would print that out and you'd pay $5 for it or $10 or whatever. Most of the places that have this also have some of the KatJes candy, the actual hard candy, the gummy candies that they sell. And those are really good too. So the idea is to have it be like a one-stop candy thing. And so the Zummies themselves, the price point isn't a consumer price point, and I wasn't given a window into that. So I don't know. Jade Corber, which is better, 3D printed pancakes or candy? Candy. 100%. Candy. Absolutely. Declan is asking how fast it prints. That's a really good question. You can get a full print in under 5 minutes. Not too bad. Jeremy's asking, can you do layer pauses to drop in different centers? That's a really interesting idea. And currently with this hardware and software, it's not really programmed to do that. But because it just runs standard G code, I'm willing to bet you could probably hack this to do that. But it's not mine. I don't get to keep this. So I probably won't do too much hacking with it. Unless they tell me to, and then I might. The Dr. 906 is saying to print a candy sword. Something simple. Oh, and Nicholas wants to print a mustache. All of these are possible. And unfortunately, I had to do a lot of this on my own. So I've been dealing with Melissa and Caitlin of KatJes, two incredibly wonderful people that are responsible for me having this machine to try out for a bit. And they're not around right now. I asked them if they're around, if they can give me a call. And as far as I know, let me check my phone. No missed calls. Shoot. So I had to kind of go at it at my own. The printer itself, here, I want to show you these. This right here with the two screws. This is a giant block of, I think, aluminum? No, maybe. It's not steel. It's probably aluminum. This is what held one side of the y-axis in place. This gets screwed into the wood case and then holds it in place. I had to search for a screw that was holding the x-axis in place and the z-axis as well. The tablet keeps calling for an Ethernet adapter. It's a Windows 10 tablet. I didn't get an Ethernet adapter for it. It's connected to my home Wi-Fi, but I don't have a way in, I guess. Once I talk to KatJes International, Melissa and Caitlin, they will give me some heads up and they'll tell me how to use this. I think I figured out some things. I mean, those cups, right? I figured out those cups. I'm excited. Let's print something. Okay. How about... see, I've got this list on this tablet of... I think I can bring this down. I found this list on the tablet of print jobs, and I'm trying to find which ones I want to print, because this is a marketing machine. So they've printed a lot of things on this. Let's do magical cups. Magical cups? Okay, those were the cups that I just printed. I don't think I can have too many of those. Let's see. What did I do on the tablet? Dang it. The tablets and I just don't seem to get along. There we go. Fixed it. I'm good. All right. You've got two Zummy choices. You've got the apple or the tasty fruit. All right. Which one should we do the cups in? I need to know. Okay, I'm just going to hold these here because I know it's got a buffer, right, of like 10 seconds. But oh, Mr. Halo Sky, I'm sorry. I know you want to see prints, and I know I will stop blabbing as soon as I can. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your evening. I hope you're doing well. Apple. I see apple. Okay, ooh, one for fruit. Apple. I see a lot. Okay, I see more. Ooh, there's fruits. Okay, I see more apples. I'm gonna go with the apple first. Then we'll do the fruit next. So I'm gonna lift the key. There we go. I'm gonna load it, and then this part here comes off, and this is the Zummy right here. These are one-time use, and I think the FDA is okay with that. All right, so I'm going to hit magical cups. It's working. Okay, this piece of paper right here, when it primes the nozzle, it makes a 3-perimeter heart. So this is it priming the nozzle. Spits it up. There we go. So there's the heart right there. For the, let's see, I'll get you guys closer. So this is it. This is the Magic Candy Factory, and it's now printing cups. The noise coming out is epic. They're just NEMA 17 steppers and some cable chains, and it would be, this is a printer. This is literally a printer, but instead of plastic, it's spitting out candy. Cooper's is asking, so is it like jelly, or it's not jelly, it's gummy. So it's like a custom gummy bear-ish consistency. Can I eat the prime heart, or is it not safe? I can eat it, but it's still warm. You want to let the candy cool down, or else it's really hard to peel off of the wax paper or off of the board right there. So let's see. So that board right there, it's got almost like a waxy top to it. The idea is you take that board and you put it in a box with the candy, and it's a customized box, and it looks pretty, and you hand it to someone as a gift. Let's see. The layers look a little wavy by Who Stick Productions. Well, yes, it's because you're printing with candy. That's one of the... Okay. Oops. There. That's one of the things that you kind of have to change your mind to a little bit with this. We're not talking about millimeter precision. We're talking about food coming out of the extruder. The Zummy, I guess, is the correct way to say it. So, lines are a little wavy. It's a candy mixture that's being spit out. It's heating to roughly 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, and yeah, there we go. There we go. Let's see. How fast am I printing at by Carman? Carman, I don't know the print speed per se, but they say most designs take 5 minutes or less. So there we go. TGYK, it's interesting how the nozzle is built into the Zummy. No need to worry about hardening or cleaning. Exactly. Plus, being a one-time use, the FDA really likes that. It really saves on having to clean the machine. If you had candy going into something that was attached to the machine permanently, then you'd have to find a way to properly clean it. This way, the machine itself never touches the food product, and that means it's safe. There we go. Why don't they call it the candy extruder? I don't know. Why don't they call it the candy extruder? So here's the heart. It's cooled down a bit. And it's very, very good. RWL04. Is there a fan? There is not a fan. That could be an option, and that may change the melted candy properties, but it's not on this model. You do have to wait for it to cool down in order to eat it. And a fan may let you do more precise designs. So that's, I don't know, that's really interesting. If there's ever a V2 of this, maybe they'll add that. Candy is really good. Bigfoot is asking, can it print hard candy? No, only gummies right now. Where did I get it at? Techman47201. That's fun. I got it from KatJes International, Magic Candy Factory. They sent it to me, not to do a review because I'm not going to review this, but I'm certainly going to show it off because I find it incredibly interesting, and I think it's definitely how the future is going to be. I think we're going to find that future 3D printing, especially with food, is going to just get better and better over time. And this is one of the ways that it's doing it. I know that there are chocolate printers and there's other things that are doing printing, but I like the concept. The candy itself tastes good, so I think that I think this is going places. I think this is good. It's so good. Video Scrap Heap is asking about frosting. That's very interesting that you mentioned that. They have magic that you can apply to the prints, and the sprays are a natural organic, but one of them is like a silvery sparkle, one of them is I think a rainbow, one of them adds like a sweet sour taste to it. I didn't get any of those sprays. I can ask for them for sure, but if you go to a place near you that has this machine, you can get some of that there for sure. Print a banana with apple flavor. This is only logical choice from Rishi. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? I should do that. I might have to do that. Jimmy Smith, damn dirty and getting fat. This is English candy. So the recipe of the candy is from the UK, so technically it's better for me than candy here in the US. So it won't get me fat faster, I guess. That's probably the right way to do it. What is the capacity of the Zummy? Let's find out. 25 grams. Let's see. That's not good. 25 grams. 25 grams. Joey's World Tour. Would cheese work? Maybe. I don't know. I guess, these syringes, they look like this when they're done. I guess I could technically pull, I got hardened up quick, but you could pull candy or cheese or something out of it and make it go. Maybe? I don't know. The capacity of the Zummy is 25 grams. Lincoln Roth, that printer is way overbuilt. Lincoln, I said the exact same thing when I first saw this printer, but you have to remember that this is meant for a commercial environment where they don't have control of the people around it. So technically, they had to harden it against kids, unwary adults, possible, most likely, mistreatment. It's hardened for a commercial environment. It's not built for home use, so it's going to be built a little bit stronger than you would think. And so knowing that, it felt better knowing this. So originally I was like, who needs that? But apparently they need that. Is it done? Oh, is it done? Is it done? Okay, it's doing something. It's moving. Okay, here's a fun part. So we'll take out the gummy. So there's always a little bit left, and then you can just kind of go, let's see. There we go. So this gummy is empty. I spat the rest of it out there. And this is hot. This is very, very hot. So if it sticks to my finger. I'll put it up there. The gummy is done. I can throw that away. And we're good. So now what we can do is we'll take a gummy out. Ooh. Ludicrous lemon, you say? Oh, that's exciting. So once you take it out, you just put it right up here, and it warms it up. Brian, is it literally performing retraction by pulling back on the syringe? And that's an interesting point, and I thought it was doing that originally, but there's no grip on the top of the syringe, so it only has a pressure. So it's putting constant pressure, but the retraction is just a relief of the pressure, not a pullback. There we go. So I thought that's what was happening. Not what was happening. All right, let's get these out. Come here, you. Look at that. They look pretty good. All right, we got to let them cool down. I'll put them up here. So here's these. These are the ones I printed earlier. They look like that. All right. Ready? They're very good. It has, imagine like a, not like a non-mass market fruit roll-up made with really good ingredients, and then make it thicker. It's like if a fruit roll-up and applesauce got together and had a baby, and you'd have the consistency of a fruit roll-up and an applesauce together, and it's not too sweet, it's not too tart. The candy's really good. Candy's really good. All right, should I print something else? I do have the semi-pink. It's almost pink. It's pinkish, right? I've got that ready. Here, I'll keep it in the warmer, and we'll pick something. Let's see. Here's something called Full 3D Unicorn with pink. Although this is like a tasty fruit flavor. All right. Let's see. We'll do that. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to hit the Full 3D Unicorn. I got to get my sheet ready. It's going to prime the nozzle. Oh wait, I got to get my I'm running a million miles an hour. I caught it. Okay, prime that nozzle. Hey, Heather, it's pink. Prime the nozzle. It's literally priming the nozzle. Let's put out some extra. There we go. All right, apparently it's got to print a unicorn. I have no idea. I have no idea. Oh, man. Let's see. Sir's Xbox Expert, lots of nines, says the unicorn will tip over as it gets higher, and we will see, because I don't know the answer if that's a question. Andrew does see my McDonald's. I did have McDonald's for dinner. 3D printing 360. How hot is this? I believe it heats the Zummy to 80 degrees centigrade. Let's see. No benchy or capes. That's funny. Jeremy says no benchy or capes. Joseph. Oh, was that one of the winning designs? All right. I don't know if you see it. It's doing infill. It's literally doing infill. It does print fast. Creepy crawlers, I remember those. Video Scrap Heap is asking, what did I print for the kids? Nothing. I've printed nothing for the kids. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. There we go. Where am I? Oh, I missed it. There we go. A baby Groot. Yeah, I should print a baby Groot. That's what I should do. I'm not printing a baby Groot. Maybe I'll print a baby Groot. I don't know. I don't know. Peter's saying the shot glasses need alcohol. I don't disagree with you, Peter. I don't have any with me right now, or else I would. Is Nightbot running? Has anybody seen Nightbot? He's supposed to be in there, helping. That guy. That guy. Jim is asking if it comes with a heated bed. No, it's not. It's just paper. Paper with a little bit of wax on it. A little bit. A little bit. Jaden would just squirt the syringe into his mouth, and that's gross. You would squirt the Zummy into your mouth. Nightwolf Alpha is asking if they have coffee. No, they don't have coffee candy yet. But if they did, my goodness. Okay, I'm going to try to get Nightbot running, because he's supposed to be running. That guy. That guy. Let's see. Boy, that printer's moving! I like that. Let's see, I need to do this. Oh, just a sec. You watch it print. I need to do this real quick. Real quick, like. Do. Let's see. Sorry about this. At least you get to watch it print. That's exciting, right? Right? It's good when it prints, right? It's good. Let's see. Is it that one? No. Alright. I love the noise this thing makes. My goodness. Oh, come on, go faster. Yes, there we go. That was easy. Finally, gosh. Oh, I know what's happening. Oh, night boss. That guy. Man. Well, I'm trying. There's a cat in there. No, that's not a cat. That's a unicorn, man. It is kind of hypnotizing. It's totally gonna be a unicorn. It does sound like R2-D2 having a conversation. I wish you guys were here because this candy's wonderful. A maker coin. A maker coin. That's funny. Maybe I will make a maker coin. All right, still going good, so I can try to fix whatever's going on. Why? Okay. Guess it's going. Yes. Technology, man, it's hard. It's hard. Oh, maybe no Nightbot. Oh, what's it? Okay. Nightbot is the, let's see, Carman is asking what Nightbot is. A Nightbot is a thing that helps admin the channel. Is it a little bit blurry? Could be because it's shaking. The overhangs are okay. They're okay. Let's let me see if we get it closer. Sorry. Brian says it looks like a turd. It's a unicorn-shaped tasty turd. 3D Printing 360 is asking if I remember a question about the Ultimaker 3. I don't. I'm sorry. It's almost done. It's done. Okay. Let's move this to the side. Hey, there's R2. All right. It does look like it went through the teleporter with Jeff Goldblum. Got text. Hold on. My goodness. It's got to cool down anyway. All right. It is done. The unicorn is done. Oh, yay. Special kid, you got your unicorn. It looks kind of like a unicorn. Kind of. Look at that. It's wobbly. A little wobbly. Looks like the donkey from Shrek, someone said. That's pretty fantastic. But again, it's got to cool down, right? Because it would just rip apart if I were to pick it up. Oh, and it's crazy when you look up close, there are layer lines. Let's see if I can... Oh, bollocks. Yeah. You see it there? No. Global Print Initiative. It does need glitter. My goodness. That would be nice. Yeah. Use my polisher. Okay. Ready? Wait, let's see. That's a good unicorn. That's really good. You guys, that is really, really... Oh, and I can use it again. I guess that's what I do. All right. Let's get that zummy out. There's not much left in this one. It's already congealed. I don't think we can get it out. Ooh. Maybe we can. There we go. That's how you do it. Well, that'll cool down. Well, we got one more. We got one more. Should we print something else? It is not bad luck to harm a unicorn. It's just not advised. What does it smell like? It doesn't. It does not. It does not smell like anything in particular. Let's print one more thing. Let's see what else we got up here. Oops! I just had gummy on my finger, and now there's gummy on the tablet. It's probably not okay. Let's see. Hearts. A lot of logos. Kung Fu Panda. I just see something that says Kung Fu Panda, and we're going to use the lemon. We're going to use the lemon. All right. Kung Fu Panda. Okay. It said Kung Fu Panda. Brian Gray. That's the wrong your. Good try. Print a poo. Oh, yes. There will be poo. Absolutely. Hi. What do you need? Are you watching the candy printer? Okay. My kids are watching the candy printer. Let's see. Jim is saying print a bender head. And I can't go that tall, so I could try. Coopers is saying it's not a good idea for the FAA. I don't know what the Federal Aviation Administration has to do, but do with this. But if you mean the FDA, then maybe. Maybe? I don't know. Well, that's just the... It's my subscriber count. Let's see. I know. Let's see. Jagged1235. I know you're really looking for some candy, but you should stop watching this stream right now, and you should go get yourself some candy. I think it's in your best interest, right? What? What am I printing? Kung Fu Panda. It's right over here. Looks like it's Poe, right? Isn't that his name? I think it's his name. Yeah. And it looks like it's going pretty good. Let's see. I say, Bill, would a 3D printed cup from this be waterproof? It depends, right? It depends on if there's gaps between the candy layers, and there might be. Let's see. Do you want some candy?
Yeah.
Okay. You can wave hi to the camera. They can't see. Here's the window. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay. You each get a glass. Okay. Just like that. They're called shot glasses.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
It is a shot glass. Okay, you can go watch it.
Okay. Yummy.
I know it's really good. It's
candy.
candy.
Yellow.
It's yellow. It's lemon. It's lemon.
So yummy.
Let's see. Hello, I'm Jim. Will you ever do a review with another large 3D printing channel? I'm going to be working with Barnacules really soon. Let's just leave it at that. I've got some more stuff coming up, but until it's confirmed, I can't really say anything, so we'll leave it at that. Yeah, the kids took my candy. Yeah, that's okay, because I can print more. Unicorn medical bills. That's funny. You guys, this is too much fun. Well, it's doing kind of good stuff over there, right? I don't know. What else you get? Yeah, you get more. Let's see. I'm just gonna pay attention to the chat while this thing's printing. What dumb moderator has that no humor doll keeps timing me out? I don't know, silly Jake. It depends. What are you doing? Nightbot. Nightbot is Nightbot. So there you go. Let's see. This is Susie. How long will this take? This takes supposedly it's 5 minutes per print. 5 minutes per print. Rod, yes. Yes, absolutely. And Maddie's asking about slicing your own models. Yes, you can slice your own models for this. I do need to figure out how to do that, and I'm sure the company will tell me pretty soon. Gosh, I don't know. What else? Whoa. I'm changing stuff. Hold on. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. I hit buttons. I'm sorry. Oh, that's funny. Okay. What is the total height? Let's see. What is the total height? It'll go that high, I think. So that. Oh, I ate the unicorn. I was going to show you the unicorn, but I ate the unicorn. Sorry about that. I was going to say, like, you can go as high as a unicorn. Let's see. Chalkers. Can you use sugar substitutes? I don't know the answer to that. So These zummies are, I don't know. You would have to check with KatJes to find out what's in these and what else they can produce. And it could be that sugar itself is part of the mechanism that binds everything together. I guess? I don't know. I don't know. Judy and Dog 1 print another unit. Well, I should start warming some up, right? I mean, if I'm gonna be printing some stuff. There was a ding? Okay, hold on. Someone said there was a ding. We'll check. Global Print Initiative. Thank you very much. The $5 will go for unicorn medical bills. That's funny. Oh, we got a green. All right. I got a ton of these things. I can keep the stream going. I mean, for a while, right? It's not even 8 o'clock over here yet. Oh, that's green too. Let's see. Green apple. Green apple. Tropical blue. Blue. All right. Okay. Let's see. 3D print anything. 3D printing nerd. This next to the pancake bot will be a great breakfast. Sort of. But if you had more than 2 people, you'd never be eating because this takes 5 minutes, and the pancake bot takes 5 to 10 minutes. So if you're hungry, I would suggest making your own food rather than letting robots prepare it for you. It's done! It's done! It's exciting. The Zummy is one-time use. Dan's asking, Buddy, Manly, and I are both want a review of the Dagoma 3D printers. That's great. Tell Dagoma to send me some printers, and then I can review them. All right, let's see how this looks. Look at that. Chalkers, it is gummy. And Stephen Smith, this is probably the largest, or it's close to. All right, so this is what's left in the Zummy. Global Print Initiative, the noise is really awful? Are you sure? I don't know, some people were saying it was good. Is the face connected? It's not. The eyes and stuff are not. They are just sitting there. Judindog 1, would you ever think of using this on a daily basis? I would think of using this on a more than daily basis because there's so many things that need to be printed. There's candy everywhere in here. The idea is these are a business as well. So then you could technically, in fact, you could start your own 3D printed candy business. It would be a franchise, I guess, of this. And just sell candy all day and print candy all day. Oh, I wish you guys could taste this. This is so good. Let's see. How much does one syringe of material? How much does one syringe of material cost? Oh, there it is. Cost. Okay, good. I don't know the answer to that. And the reason is because this is a commercial model. It's not for home use. I just happen to have one because I asked really nicely. And the idea is you go to a store or a booth or a pop-up stand in the mall, and you get stuff printed for you, and then they buy the zummies by the truckload or whatever, and you then you would then pay retail price for a creation. I hope that makes sense. Here, we need to. There's still zummy. There's gummy in this, so we gotta rescue it. Okay. Garbage is getting full. Here we go again, ready? I'm not gonna lie. That's fun. Set that aside. Okay. These are warming up. We gotta figure out something else to print. Global print initiative. You'd never send any out because you'd eat all your profits. I cannot argue with that. Not one bit. Bye, Arvind. What you can do, so it's warm, right? If you stick it in this hole and it's 80 degrees centigrade, then you have to wait for the candy to get at least that warm. So you just have to wait. You have to wait. Let's see what else is on here to print. There's something called dinos? Trolls? Want to do trolls? How about we do trolls? Let's let it warm up just a little bit more. We'll give it another couple minutes. Print Batman or the Batman logo, Alexander is saying. And that's not a bad idea at all. I would love to do that, but I didn't get the training yet on the tablet and the interface and what I need to do in order to do that. So I think I need to wait for the company to contact me. So like I was saying at the beginning of this stream, this big wooden box here is meant for commercial use, and so I got it. I didn't have training. I just had to figure it out myself. They had these giant aluminum blocks that were keeping all the axes from moving that I had to figure out how to take out. This long screw, and then everything's working now, but yeah, crazy. A Boudicles gummy. I might be able to do that. I'm thinking that because I'm gonna see Boudicles. I'm gonna see Barnacles soon. I should print him something. Let's check. Okay, we're gonna do the Trolls logo in green. This is set. There we go. Trolls. I feel like we need Justin Timberlake singing that song, right? From the Trolls movie. Will this print chocolate? No, this is not for chocolate printing, unfortunately. How cool would that be? I would like to get my hands on a chocolate printer, though. My goodness. Come on. Here we go. There we go. This is getting kind of full of gummy stuff. If you don't mind. All right, this is going to print the Trolls logo upside down to the camera, of course. How long do I have it for? Rod is asking. I don't know. I got essentially a bunch of these. I'm sure they'll tell me at some point. But here's the interesting part. I mean, I want to show this off because I think it's cool. But it's not standard fare for my channel, right? I'm usually 3D printing out of plastic. I don't know. It's interesting. It's very, very interesting. And I'll keep doing cool stuff. Maybe I could hack it, like I said earlier in the stream. Maybe I could try to give it some cool G code that would do these weird bridges or candy supports. Candies, of course. I love it. Am I going to review the ANET A8? I am not. Preston over at Press Reset got himself the A8. I think he's going to review it. Ooh, someone asked if I know Hacksmith, and I don't. Todd is asking what I'm drinking. I got a Diet Coke at McDonald's because it tastes better with rum. Oh, Australia in the house. Awesome. Vortex Death Rage. Boy, that's fun. Does it do multiple layers or only the one? It does multiple layers. It'll probably... I think it goes that high. Matthew the Magician. Yes, I do like Maker Coins. N8904B is this PLA plastic. It is not. It is a gummy candy solution. Yeah, the ANET A8. Yeah, I've heard it's cool. A lot of people want to know about it. I won't get myself one. Stephanie's asking when I'll do another fan mail Friday. That's coming up. I need to get the new bank. Lauren over at Abuzz Designs is designing one for me. We'll get there. Maybe next Friday. We'll see what we can do. Print a high five. Yes. Yes, that will happen. Time of print, see how long it takes. Well, Joseph, they say it's 5 minutes or less. Technically, I'm recording this, so it'd be easy to look at the marker on YouTube when a print starts and when a print ends, because it's got the camera on it. Maybe we could do that. Midnight Giant, how can I donate? Find the Nightbot robot that keeps spamming, and you'll be able to see it. There we go. Gaming 54, how does it taste? Balance Options donated $3 for a Red Bull. That's awesome. Thank you, Balance Options. It tastes wonderful. Pie Gaming 54, it is yummy. It is so good. It's so good. Robot Hut. Tuned in late. Can you print a robot candy? I can. But not yet, because I don't know how to upload the G code to this machine. Could you make the prints look smoother by Can you smooth the prints by dissolving them in warm water? Yes. Yes. Zachary, I love your channel. Who is your favorite doctor? I liked David Tennant as the doctor until I met Matt Smith in person. My daughter got to ask Matt Smith if he was afraid of the Weeping Angels at Comic-Con a few years back, and he gave her a good answer. I got to bring her backstage to meet him, and so Matt Smith's doctor is technically my favorite for personal reasons. I think that makes sense. 3D, let's see, Matthew the Magician, do you like Minecraft? I think it's cool, but my kids are all way, way better at it than me. And they're going to start streaming on Twitch on my channel. They're going to do the Minecraft on my Twitch channel. That'll be interesting, but look for that coming up. The printing kit, can you show us the mechanics of this machine, please? I did earlier in the stream. I'll do it again when the Trolls print is finished. On a scale from 1 to 900, how good is your 3D printer? From Braden, my answer is robot, Batman symbol. I'm assuming that's within the scale of 1 to 900. Oh, the donation. Let's see. Jeremy, no, I don't hear the donation noise. I don't. I'm sad. Well, no, that one, Jeremy, that was Balance Options donating $3 for a Red Bull. I saw that one. I gave him a thank you. Let's see. Maddie, Tinkercad has a Minecraft modeling. That's right, they do. Buddy, if you want to mail something for the Fan Mail Friday, you would look in the bottom of the description of any of my videos where I include the fan mail address. Let's see Travis's bring logos to life with gummies. Oh, Peter. I like how you think. All right, the gauntlet's been thrown, Travis. Danny is asking how I got my hands on this thing, and that's easy. I asked really nicely if I could borrow it for a bit. Yeah, that's what I did. I asked if I could borrow it and show it off on the channel because I think it's cool, and they were like, sure, Joel, you could do that. So they shipped it out to me with a bunch of these. See you, Matthew. Thanks for stopping by. Sean is asking you if you can print flavor on top of flavor. You can't, at least not with this model. Lincoln is saying that a print fan would make prints look so much better, and I think you are correct. I would agree. I would agree with you there. Do you upload your streams to another channel, or are they somewhere on here? Perplex Oddity, they are somewhere here. You'll find once the stream is over, it becomes a video on my channel, and you can just find it within the videos of my channel. Super easy. Jonathan is asking if I accept 3D prints on Fan Mail Friday. I do. Lots of people have sent me incredibly cool 3D printed things. In fact, Travis over at Pyro Design made that cool logo for me, and that was awesome. Buddy Manley, what is your favorite superhero? My mom. Aww. No, my wife. Aww. See what I did there? Oh, donation. Midnight Giant gave me $10 for more rum. Midnight Giant, you are awesome. Look at this. I got plenty of space for rum. Oh, I wonder. Well, the Trolls print is done. I'll go see if I can get my kids to bring me some rum. Hey, Senator Riley! Sydney Riley! We'll see. Maybe I'll get some rum for my coat. Live on the internet. High five from Calgary. Is there any form of retail you miss the most? What? Retail? I never worked retail. Let's see. Oh, Kenneth is in the 7th grade. Hi, Kenneth. How are you? All right, let's take this out. There we go. There we go. Maddie, yeah, the high-pitched sound at the end of prints is the Z-axis going up. Senator Riley!
Hi. I'm here.
Could you go get my rum, please?
Where?
It's either on the counter or it's in the liquor cabinet.
Okay.
It's the one with the captain on it.
Okay.
You know, that's the handle.
Okay.
You got it? Is that okay? Byron! Thank you, Byron! Thank you very much. Nightwolf. Starting the Kid. Oh, no. Believe me, they've been getting me rum for a long time. Okay, let's see what else we got on here. Let's just keep printing, right? Let's see. Oh, how about a gecko? Let's print a gecko. Why not? Let's get this zummy out. What?
Downstairs, it's delayed.
I know, it's delayed. My daughter is saying the stream is delayed. Yes, it's about a 10 to 15 second delay because it has to go from here to YouTube, and then YouTube crunches it and then sends it to you. Yeah, I did. I called anybody. Did you get my rum? Okay. Yeah, you did. Well, here, you can show them on. You can show them on the camera. If you want.
Rum.
Thank you, Riley. Okay, here. Are you guys watching the stream?
Yeah.
Okay. Let this cool down first because it's really hot, and then you can go eat it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, David.
Okay.
Can I just stand here and watch you? Because I'm having a game.
Yes. It's about right. That's good. That's really good. All right. All right. Will you get me a napkin, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Kids are good gophers. Yes, you are.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, David. Do you want to say hi to people?
Oh.
Lean in. You can say hi.
Hello.
Did you get just done with baseball?
I didn't hit.
Oh, you didn't hit?
No.
Oh,
I was
I'm
too
sorry.
tired.
Okay. Okay. You can't have any of my drink.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
It's daddy water. It's daddy water. Okay. The gecko. Let's load it with.
Gecko.
Is this blue? We're gonna do this one. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, we'll load in this one. All right. That in.
Can I help?
Okay. Gotta do a gecko.
Can I help?
All right.
Okay.
Gotta get this ready. It's so hard. Remember all this. My goodness. Nick Stuff Inc. is asking if I'm going to the Midwest Rep Rap Festival, and I am. I will be there both days. Oh no! Oh, there it comes. Okay. So the idea, I remember when I was talking to them, and they said the idea of this was to prime the nozzle, but then as the kids are watching the thing print their candy, they can actually have some of the candy. And that's where that comes from. Kind of interesting. You take one out, please. Rod says, start a second channel candy printing. I could do that. I already have a second channel. If you go to, hi David. If you go to Technically Nerdy is my second channel. I have a second channel.
Oh, I'm gonna go tell Radley.
Okay, you go tell them. A butter rum. Ooh, Art of Technology, a butter rum flavor. That's not a bad idea. Not at all. Man Nexus X. How do I fix 3D printing zits? Retraction and temperature. That's what you got to pay attention to. Hi, Riley.
Hi, Daddy. What are you printing now?
We're printing a gecko.
Oh.
See, it's a gecko.
Can I eat it?
I will save it for you.
Okay.
It's doing a good job.
Oh, and at least 100 subscribers.
Oh, good. That's wonderful. Peter, I know, it is totally hypnotic. Hey, Evan, how's it going? It does print fast. It does print very fast. It should be done. Oh, I was going to promise you a printer tour after the Trolls logo. We'll do it after the gecko. I'll give you a tour inside the printer with this camera right here. Cyan Gaming, does it use a firmware like Marlin or a Repetier, or is it proprietary? Good question. The tablet up here that I'll show you when this print is done runs Repetier host, or Repetier server, I'm sorry, and then sends commands and controls the printer via that over USB. It's a good system. They did a good job. Buddy is saying, would you like me to print you something? You can, if you want to print me something, you can print me whatever you want. What? Hi. Print a 3D Roger Rabbit. I could. Sure, I'll try to do that. Vortex Death Rage. How do you feel about being YouTube's 3D printing dad? That's kind of, yeah, that's kind of funny. Um, it's okay. Someone called me the Mr. Rogers of 3D printing. I thought that was funny. What? And I will. Not right now. Leheco? Boy, I didn't say that right, did I? I will be in LA. I don't know. I don't know when I'll be in LA next. Jeremy says the safe word is whiskey. That's funny. Oh, hey, Print 3D channel. You guys, Print 3D channel. He's doing a print a day for the entire year. A print a day for the entire year. It's crazy. Buddy Marley, print a camera. Okay, I could try that. I print a zoo of animals. Oh, you know what? I know Sparky has that block zoo. Maybe I could do block zoo animals on this. Candy block zoo animals. I think that'd be kind of fun. Say hello to Brazil. Hello, Brazil. True, Mr. Rogers did not ever have daddy water on camera. That's very true. Let's see, Buddy's asking if I'll ever go to Chicago. Yes, I'm flying into Chicago before Midwest Rep Rap Festival. I wonder if the 3D body scan was put on its back and lowered below the sea surface. Could it be done as a gummy? Joel, that's a really good question, and I'm going to try that. Better yet, what about a Han Solo in carbonite gummy? I think that's what I gotta do. Cyan Gaming, have I ever done a monthly filament subscription service before? I've been offered it a few times, but they were just samples. Samples and I don't get along because I usually print bigger things. So it's just I've never had to do it. Gasic 13 is asking what I use for my time lapses. I use a GoPro Hero 4. Mike B, yes, we can be friends. Low poly Pikachu out of candy. I'll definitely try some of Flowalistics models on this thing. Evan Rochi, 3D printing nerd, print a 50K or 100K sub play button. I have plans for a 50K button out of something fun, so stay tuned for that. I'll get to that before I hit 100K, promise. It is done. It looks like the gecko is done. The gecko is done. Come on. Okay. Come here, you. That looks good. Let's see. There we go. You can kind of see the layer lines, right? There we go.
You could have googly eyes. Candy googly eyes. You could have.
That's not too bad. I could have candy googly eyes, couldn't I? Hi. Okay, now I got to figure out what to print next.
Oh, you should print an R2-D2.
No, I can only print what's in the machine right now.
Oh.
Yeah. We got one more Zummy. One more Zummy. All right.
What's this flower?
Flower, no, not right yet. Okay, I'm going to do a machine tour really quick. Okay, hold on. It's going to be wiggly. Okay, so the Zummies are stored in here. This is where you put them in, and this is where you take them out. You'll also notice that the this whole case right here is extremely well built. It's all steel. This is warmed, so that's about 80 degrees centigrade, 70 degrees centigrade, and the idea is you put the plunger in there, you close it up, and then this, let's see, this mechanism right here is the plunger that pushes down. You'll see that it has two linear rails for the x-axis, and it's got a single linear rail on the y-axis, and then the Z is a screw back here. That's back there somewhere. There's lights. It's got a webcam right back there for recording the video and uploading it to their YouTube channel. It really does need a cooling fan. I agree. This is the tablet that it runs off of, so it runs Repetier server. There we go, and it connects via USB right here. And it powers all that stuff. Look, there's some cable chain right there. What you print onto is a wax-coated paper. And the little latch is a key, of course. It's designed to be incredibly business-friendly. Very... It's aimed towards the market of people who own businesses that want to print things for sale rather than home use. Yeah, you guys can take that.
Can you eat it?
You can, yes, you can eat it when you go watch the stream.
Can I stay here?
I'm almost done.
Okay, why can't I watch it?
Okay, you can stay. Ooh, Captain Morgan ice cream, that'd be good. Let's see, print a Barbie. Well, that would be interesting. I guess I could print a Barbie. We do need to. I've got one more thing, right? Because I've got one more zummy. One more zummy. Let's find one more thing. Oh, the octopus. We will print an octopus. How about that? Let's go right there. All right. And, oh, that's an octopus that says, "Love you, babe." Sure, why not? Why not? Okay, ready? Yeah. The art of technomancy. That is correct. And that is why it's built like a tank. It's gonna make an octopus that says "Love you, babe" on the top. Hey, I don't make these. Joel and Carbonite, I like that. And Maddie, I will give this to my wife. We're gonna save this for mommy. Oh, my brother's Mario. I love you too. Thanks. I should print one of those fidget spinners. That's. I'm going to print a fidget spinner. I'm going to G-Max size it. It's going to be huge. Mark my words. That's different. It did goober before it made the heart. I think because it was really warm. Buddy, Midwest Rep Rap Festival. Go look that up. It's in March. It's into March, maybe? What, David? No. 3D print anything. Even at 5 minutes per print, the candy will run out quick. That's true. Letters aren't its fine points. Hey, Average Joe. Do I like gum, Joel? I do like gum, Joel. It's not perfect. But the best part is even a failed print still tastes wonderful. Oh, so wonderful. I love it. I love it. I see you guys are saying print failing, but it's still going to taste great. And it still has to print the octopus. The octopus won't fail. Nothing says I love you like a 3D printed cephalopod. That's true, especially one made out of candy. A G-Max spinner does sound great. Print a miniature printer. That's funny. That's really funny. Oh wait, I didn't get this one. Byron gave $5 and said, "Have a drink on me." Thanks, Byron. And Pixel Gear donated 5, saying, "As the famous Homer Simpson once said, candy." Thanks, you guys. That's awfully kind of you. I will Mega Making, I will definitely print a Benchy. It's a boat that doesn't float. All right, the Love You Babe is a little wonky, that's for sure. Let's see how the octopus part comes out. Failure is delicious. That's true. DCD laser engraving are each of the colors a different flavor. They're all different flavors. So the green is gorgeous green apple. And they're all organic. They're all tasty. Richard is asking if it knows if we have enough material left to print with. And no, it is not smart in that regard. It only knows to print. That's all it knows. Do you want to go get some of the other ones of these? They're out there in a bag, and we can go see the other flavors. These are all 3 of these are green. Gorgeous green apple. They're in a brown paper sack out there. Allie is saying they just woke up, and they're asking what's going on here. Well, no, just some of them. Don't bring the whole sack in. We're 3D printing with candy, Allie. A custom Rubik's Cube. I've never thought about that. Edible Lego blocks. Yes. Okay. We've got gorgeous green apple. Gorgeous green apple. Oh, I got a lot of green apple. Ooh. Luscious lemon.
Right.
Ripe raspberry. Ripe raspberry. Sublime strawberry. Sublime. Can you go put these back for me, please? Thank you. Tyler H., how long does the candy take to heat up at the top? A couple minutes? I'd say 5 minutes. That's why they have 3 holes right here, because you can stage 3 different candies, and then you'd be good. Because then as you load them and print, if you have 3 and you take one out to print with and you put one in there, that'll be ready by the time you use these other 2 to get to it. So 3 seems to be a good number. Hey, Sydney. Craft King says hi. Michael had to go. Goodbye. 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 Buddy Manley is asking about a setup for a Dremel printer or a rotary tool, or what are we talking? I don't know. Kenneth is saying I'm the favorite YouTuber, but Kenneth, you're rad, and you're my favorite. Hey, look it! It's done. Okay. I don't know.
Ooh, Dad, you want your phone. Another phone.
There we go.
You have another phone.
What now?
You have another phone.
Okay, I'm doing something. Can we wait until I'm done?
Yeah.
The Love You Babe is a little see, unlikely. The Love You Babe's a little bad, but the octopus turned out okay. There we go. Here's what would happen if you bought this at the candy store. They would probably reprint it for you and just let you eat this on the spot. Oh, Kevin's allergic to octopus. I'm sorry. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Let's see how much is left. Ooh, look at that. So this one has a lot left. That's a lot. I'll tell you what, let's see how much we can get out of it. No, I don't know. So let's do that. We'll set this aside. Oh, one of the hearts fell out. Get over here. There we go. Okay, that's down. And then, let's go to the top. Do that. And we'll say that.
Do the hearts hold in the thing that it's on?
Sort of, yes. I don't know if this is going to work. Because the plunger's so far down and it's not a smart machine and that it knows about how much gummy stuff is left, then it doesn't know to compress all the way down until it gets to the plunger. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. Eventually, that plunger is going to make its way down, or that plunger pusher is going to make its way down to the plunger and will start getting candy hearts. But until then, I guess we'll just see. Yeah. We'll let this run out and then we'll call it good. How about that? Multi-extrusion for a candy printer will be great, and I have to agree with you. I think that would be great. A Buzz is asking if you can adjust the heater temps. No, you can't. Well, not through this interface. Again, it's made to be a commercial product that's used in retail, so there's far, far fewer configure options than what you or I would be used to in 3D printing. But it is running Repetier server, so technically I think you can adjust whatever you want. I think it's G-code controlled, right? I don't know what I think's going on. Rod donated $10 saying, I am Groot. Technically, Rod, we are Groot. See you later, buddy. It cannot sense the syringe level. That is true. But it'll get down there eventually, because it's going to make a full platter of hearts. That's what it usually does for the sample. And I guess we'll see. We'll see if that plunger gets down there. Rohan is asking, what is the layer height? And I don't know the answer to that. I guess I could measure. Probably like half a millimeter, maybe? Maybe a millimeter? I don't know. We're getting closer. It's almost impacting the plunger. We're going to find out real quick. It's happening. Garfield Kitty, are you going to eat it when it's all done? Yes. Yes, all of this candy is very edible, and it'll all get eaten, believe me, by either me or by the kids. Clyde, no, not contact yet. It's close. Let's see, where'd it go? Cyan Gaming, I don't know. We'll find out if we can do it, Benchy. Jonathan Kane, for $35K, you'd expect to be able to drive it, let alone be able to send stuff. Yes and no, right? Because it's a commercial product meant for businesses, and so the real possibility is that I can drive it or sense things or enable certain things on here, but through the interface that I have access to, I may not be able to do that. Once KatJes gets back to me and we find a time when we can talk, they can tell me more about this and how to use the interface that's the right one for this printer, how to upload photos and how to upload my own G-code and STLs and do all that. So hold the phone just a little bit. We may be able to drive this. We may be able to print us some bridges and some benchies and just be fantastic. I will scap a tag. I will have fun with the Daddy Water. Thank you very much. Let's see. Soon there will be a printer that will print with bacon filament made from 100% bacon. Drex, I agree. Oh, a Buzz said donation. Oh, my brother's Mario. Heard I was out of Red Bull and threw $5. My brother's Mario, I will definitely use that $5 to get a Red Bull. That sounds wonderful. Buzz, thanks for tipping me off to that. We're getting close. Okay, now there's contact? Maybe? Is there? I don't think it's working. Okay. I think I know what happened. Hit cancel. It's gonna. Okay, it's gonna cancel. I know why this didn't work. I know why this didn't work. It prints gummy. Michael, gummy. Here's what's interesting. So this, if I would have started this right away, I could have done it. But the problem is, once the Zummy itself has spit out some candy, there's candy in the end part of it, the nozzle, if you will, that is cooling down that the heater cartridge won't pick up. So if I preheated it in this, I could have probably gotten some prints out of it. But because I didn't, it's not going to work. And instead, I'll have to break the end off. Give me this one of these. Let's see if I can write. I'm gonna try to write myself. It's hot. It's so hot.
Use the napkin.
High five. Oh, that's awesome. That's just too much fun. All right. Well, let's
Gummy candy.
let's call it. It is gummy candy. Let's call it good right there. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this stream. I hope you found it informative about this candy printer. I hope you thought it was neat. It was interesting. Look up Magic Candy Factory if you want to find one near you. There's 20 or 30 spots in the U.S. and they're in the UK and they're in Europe as well. Yeah, thanks for joining me. Thanks for the donations. Thanks for the tips. Thanks for the conversation. This was a lot of fun. Sid, do you want to send them off with a high five? Yeah? Okay. So as always,
High five.